Hey y'all, welcome back. Today I'm diving into a powerful book that's got believers all over the world talking, Restoring God's Watchmen by Dr. Russell Welch, which talks about the Lord's watchmen in this hour being likened to the prophet of ancient Israel, Jeremiah, as to the spiritual power and authority they possess. This book is more than just pages filled with words, it's a prophetic manifesto for those of us called to be intercessors in today's church. Dr. Welch takes us on a journey showing how strategic prayer can transform not just our lives but our communities. Let's talk about prayer for a second. Dr. Welch describes it as the whisper that roars. Imagine that even the quietest, most humble prayers have the power to shake the heavens and move mountains. Think on that for a moment, your whispered prayers, your heartfelt pleas. They can catalyze a transformative shift in our churches and communities. The book challenges us to see our prayers as echoes that reverberate through the spiritual realm, reshaping our personal circumstances and the world around us. It's an odyssey, an adventure that amplifies our voices and invites waves of transformation. But this isn't just about our individual requests. It's about using the collective power of prayer to usher in God's kingdom on earth. Dr. Welch gives us a clear blueprint for engaging in what he calls heavenly dialogues, empowering us to approach prayer with intent and authority. He equips us with tools to craft our prayers strategically, igniting a beacon of hope and change, illuminating the path for others to follow. One of the key themes here is prophetic intercession. Dr. Welch encourages us to fine-tune our spiritual ears, to hear God's whispers amidst the noise of daily life. This training enhances not just our prayer life, but fosters unity within our churches and communities. The book is a clarion call to devout Christians, urging us to respond to the divine call to prayer with enthusiasm and intentionality. And there's more. The idea of creating sanctuaries for prophetic prayer is emphasized. These spaces allow us to gather, intercede, and seek God's guidance together. In these sanctuaries, our collective prayer becomes a symphony of the Spirit, resonating beyond the church walls. By fostering an environment of unity and purpose, our communities can experience a spiritual awakening, paving the way for God's kingdom to manifest in our lives. In conclusion, Restoring God's Watchman is an essential guide for anyone eager to step into their role as a modern-day prophet and intercessor. It invites us to unlock the transformative power of prayer, empowering us to make a significant impact in our communities. So, as we embark on this spiritual journey, let's learn to orchestrate our prayers with intentionality, becoming instruments of divine change. In a world that desperately seeks hope and restoration, this book is a beacon of light, reminding us that our prayers can indeed usher in the kingdom of God here on earth. There is a link to view and purchase this book in the description section. Thanks for watching, y'all. Be blessed and keep those prayers coming.